Hello everybody. I hope we're all managing to stay healthy, well and connected in these strange times we're living in. We certainly never thought when we started planning these awards way back in the disease-free December last year that we'd be making the following announcement, but there you go. Anyway, my name is Tom Olton and I am Chair of Constructing Excellence Yorkshire and Humber, and also on the call we have the ladies who organised the whole thing, our very own event ninjas, Donna Lee and Liz Schofield.
Hello.
Hello.
Right, so to the awards and the announcement. It has become increasingly obvious over the last few weeks that we're not going to be able to hold a physical ceremony on the 7th of October as we'd originally planned. It's unlikely that events of our size will be permitted to go ahead at all this year, and even if they do, will be likely to be required to follow social distancing rules, which would be very difficult to enforce and also significantly impact on everyone's enjoyment.
Yeah, as much as we love organising this event,
and we really do,
our priority has to be to keep everybody safe.
And therefore, we have taken the decision to relaunch the Constructing Excellence Yorkshire and Humber 2020 Awards as an entirely online event. Yay! More enthusiasm, please, team. Yay!
Yay!
There we go, that'll do. So this is how it's going to work. Entrants will submit their projects in the usual way by downloading forms from our website, ckegroup.org/CE-Excellence-YH, and filling in and sending back in the usual way to cehawards@leedsbeckett.ac.uk. Those links will be somewhere around here on the form or somewhere. A full judging process will follow, with a shortlist being announced later in the year. The winners will then be revealed in an online webinar in the autumn. The exact date of which is still to be determined, but it will be during the day, one afternoon, as we all know how important family time is during the pandemic, and also at an acceptable time to have a drink. All the categories and awards will be the same, and we can promise you as much attention to detail will be made to make the online ceremony as enjoyable as possible. We already have a lot of ideas, so we hope that even those of you who haven't put any entries in this year will still join us to see some of the fantastic projects and schemes that we've been doing in the last 12 months in Yorkshire and the Humber. It's hard to think back to last year, as so many of our priorities have changed, but it's still important to recognise everything our industry has achieved. So, and here's the better bit. Because we need less time to arrange a virtual ceremony, we've been able to extend the closing date by over 2 months. So now you have until Friday the 31st of July to get your entries in for this year's awards. What's great about going online is it means that we'll be even more inclusive than usual. If you're a company that's not considered entering before because you couldn't attend a ceremony in person, now's your chance. There's absolutely no cost to enter, so you could walk away with a nationally recognised award, all for the price of a little bit of staff time to fill in a form. I mean, it's a no-brainer, isn't it?
Our website will be updated with details of our online ceremony, all the dates, times, how it's going to work over the next couple of weeks. So please do look out for that, and of course for all our flyers for announcements.
Yeah, and please do keep those entries coming. We've had some fantastic ones so far, but we're also very acutely aware that there's a lot of staff on furlough at the moment, so perhaps the regular people that might have put the forms in might not be around to do that. So that's another reason why we wanted to give you extra chance to work on your entries. We are a little bit short in a couple of categories, so if you've got any entries or projects that you want to put in for Civil Engineering Project of the Year, Digital Construction, Innovation, Off-site Construction, we always support the SME, so please put your entries in, Sustainability and Value. So we look forward to receiving entries from you, and fingers crossed you might be a winner of #CEYH 2020.
Awesome. Right. Thanks everyone for listening. We look forward to being able to see you all in person very soon. Otherwise, stay safe, look after each other and stay in touch. Bye.
Bye.